Millions of years ago, life started in the ocean with fish. Some fish grew legs and became amphibians, and later reptiles. From these reptiles came dinosaurs, and some of them grew feathers. One of the first bird-like creatures was Anchiropatrix, half dinosaur and half bird. Over time, this early bird changed and evolved into many kinds of bird we see flying today. And I will explain each page of our flipbook. But first, let me show our flipbook. And now, I will explain each page of our flipbook from first page to last page. Take a look here while I'm explaining each page. Life starts in the ocean with simple fish. Some fish begin to develop fins strong enough to support them in shallow water. These fish evolve into amphibians that can live on both water and land. Amphibians slowly adapt into reptiles with a tougher skin and eggs. Reptiles fully live on land and spread into different environments. Some reptiles evolve into larger, stronger forms. Small dinosaurs appear standing upright on two legs. Some of the dinosaurs develop tiny feathers for warmth. Feathers grow longer, giving them the ability to glide. Early feathered dinosaurs start to flap or glide between trees. One of the first bird-like creatures, half dinosaur and half bird. It uses feathers to fly short distance. Over time, tails get longer, making flight easier. Features like beaks start forming while claws shrinking. Early bird develops stronger wings for better flight. Bird spreads into more areas, soaring over prehistoric landscapes. Birds adapt to food sources like worms, seeds, or insects. Different species evolve in its environment. Birds like sparrows, eagles, and hummingbirds appears. The story ends with the modern bird flying together in the sky. The flipbook shows how birds slowly evolved over millions of years. It began with fish in the ocean, which later developed legs and became amphibians. These amphibians gave rise to the reptiles and eventually to dinosaurs. Some small dinosaurs developed feathers, leading to the first bird-like creature. Over time, this early bird adapted, changed their features, and evolved into the wide variety of modern birds we see today. And that is all the idea of our flipbook.